Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. Here first question is complete the series 27, 35, 47, question mark, then 53 and 72. See here, when we reverse 27 we get 72, right? When we reverse 35 we get 53. So 47 goes to 74. So see here in the series after first three numbers, remaining three numbers are reversed, number of previous numbers. So 27 goes to 72, 35 goes to 53, so 47 goes to 74. So our correct answer is 74. So here given option C 74. Our next question is complete the series 8, 20, 36, 56. So the next number is here. The series given in a pattern. Which pattern? 4 into 2, 8. Then 5 into 4, 20. Then 6 into 6, 36. Then 7 into 8, 56. Okay. So similarly, what? 8 into 10, 80. Which pattern is given here? 4 into 2, 8. In first number, 4 into 2, 8. Then 5 into 4. See here, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then multiplication into 2, into 4, into 6, into 8. So similarly, 8 into 10 is 80. So our correct answer is 80. Here given option B, 80. Our next question is complete the series 2, 18, 27, 43, 68. So the next of 68. See here the difference between the digits is the square of digits, that is 18 minus 2, first two numbers. See the first two numbers, 18 minus 2, 16. So 4 square, 4 into 4. Then 27 minus 18, 9. So 3 square, 3 into 3. Then 43 minus 27, 16, 4 into 4, that is 4 square. Then 68 minus 43, 25, that is 5 square. So 104 minus 68, that is 36. 6 into 6. So our answer is 104. So our correct answer option C 104. Our next question is in a row 26 boys when Ritik shifted 6 places towards the left. He became 10th from the left end. What was his earlier position from the right end of the row? See here, total boys 26. Ritik shifted 6 places towards the left. So Ritik is in 10th position from left end after shifting. So that is Ritik is in 16th position from left before shifting. Before shifting, Ritik is in 16th position. So 26 minus 16 equal what? 10. So that is there are 11 boys before Ritik. Right? There are 11 boys before Ritik. So the position was 11 from the right end. So correct answer is 11 position. So here given option B 11. Our next question is identify the wrong number in the series. Identify the wrong number in the series. The given series is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 20, 34. So what is the wrong number? See, this is a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series what? So 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then 1 plus 2, 3, then 3 plus 2 plus 3 5, okay, this manner. So in this 8 plus 13 is 21, so wrong number is 20. See here, 8 plus 13, here will be 21, but given 20, so wrong number is 20. So our correct answer is option C, 20. Option C.